Just some time back, I was correcting people's handshake and body language to help them to be effective communicators. And here we are practicing social distancing. New normal is not just a hashtag, but a harsh reality that we can overcome only if we have a conscious learning plan to upskill ourselves. But then you might ask, what should I upskill myself on? My name is Yukti, and as a qualified leadership and etiquette coach, let me answer that question for you. Whether you are someone who's just lost a job or not doing well in business, or someone who's been able to hold the position tight, or maybe someone in between somewhere, one thing that is common for all of us to do is to relearn how we lead ourselves and our teams in these tough times. This video is an invitation for you to register for a leadership course that will help you to learn 5 things. 1. How to make the best decisions in your personal and professional life. 2. How to think out of the box and stay relevant in the times to come. 3. How to create a balance between your logical thinking and your emotions. 4. How to collaborate with others and partner with them to achieve more success. And 5. How to be effective with your communication in the virtual online space. ULB is a 2-week program that helps you to go deep into 4 most critical areas of leadership: creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. This course comes with masterclasses, exclusive interview with experts, a lot of reading material for you to go deeper into, self-reflection through writing assignments, and most importantly, a direct access to me every week through the live leadership webinars that I conduct only for our participants. The moment you register for this course, you also become a member of elite group of leaders, our participants, and we call ourselves Silhouette Circle of Leadership. As a part of this circle, you will be a part of our reading clubs, and we will continue to grow together and learn from each other, not just till your course continues, but for your lifetime. The content of this course also stays with you, so you can go back to it and reflect on some new learnings that you may want to collect. So I wait to welcome you on this side and hope that you start this journey real soon to prepare yourself to succeed in post-COVID times. Click on the button below, register for this course, and be a part of our community today.